be the next latest from Microsoft. Every new OS comes with a list of hardware requirements. Here one of the main focus is on TPM requirement, which makes absolute sense for a new operating system to lose support for legacy hardware and have better security. If you're watching this video, you've probably seen the other videos that prove it is possible to upgrade to Windows 11. But just hold on. It's not that simple. Here the process I'm trying to explain is via clean install using a Windows 11 ISO. Probably you would have already got the link to the ISO via search engines. Now let me explain the process of preparation of ISO into a Windows bootable USB. Some old laptops don't boot using new technique Uefi mode, as they use old legacy BIOS mode to boot a installation file. This is the error screen you will get when we use Uefi method in old laptop. Use the options I have used in this Rufus tool for old laptops that support legacy BIOS mode only. Once done, restart laptop and boot via USB option.